মৰমৰ ছাত্ৰ-ছাত্ৰীসকল আজি তোমালোকৰ বাবে লৈ আহিছো এ লেটাৰ টু গডৰ ভেৰি শৰ্ট আনসাৰ টাইপ কুৱেশ্যনছ কিছুমান আহাচোন আমি ভিডিওটো আৰম্ভ কৰো ফাৰ্স্ট কুৱেশ্যন ইজ হু ইজ দ্য ৰাইটাৰ অফ দ্য প্ৰ'জ পিচ এ লেটাৰ টু গড নামৰ এই গল্পটোৰ লিখক কোন আৰু আনসাৰ হ'ব জিএল ফুৱেণ্টিছ ইজ দ্য ৰাইটাৰ অফ দ্য প্ৰ'জ পিচ এ লেটাৰ টু গড পিছৰ কুৱেশ্যন হু ৱাজ Lancho কোন আছিল and answer is Lancho was a Latin American farmer Lancho এজন Latin American খেতিয়ক আছিল next question where was the house of Lancho situated Lanchoৰ ঘৰটো ক'ত অৱস্থিত আছিল answer is the house of Lancho was situated on the crest of a low hill in a valley from where can one see the river ক'ৰ পৰা এই নদীখন দেখা পোৱা গৈছিল Answer, one can see the river from the top of a hill. What crop was farmed by Lancho? Lanchoe kihor kheti korisil? Lancho farmed corn. What was the peculiar thing about Lancho's house? Lancho'r ghortur asorit ba oditiyo kothatu ki asil? Answer is, the peculiar thing about Lancho's house was that it was the only one in the entire valley. অদ্বিতীয় কথাটো আছিল যে লেন্সৰ ঘৰটোৱে আছিল গোটেই উপত্যকাটোত একমাত্ৰ ঘৰ What did the crop need before ripening বা What was the only thing that the crop needed সেই শস্যখিনিক পকাৰ আগত একমাত্ৰ কি লগা হৈছিল and the answer is the crop needed a downpour or at least a shower before ripening এজাক কমকৈ বা পাতলীয়া বৰষুণ লগা হৈছিল Who was the woman mentioned in the story? Hadutur ullekh kora hi maiki manu goraki kun. The woman mentioned in the story was Lancho's wife. What was prepared by the woman? Maiki manu goraki ki banai asil? Answer is supper was prepared by the woman. Next question, where were the older boys working? Dangor lora keitai kot kam kori asil? The older boys were working in the field. Where were the smaller boys playing? Horu lora ketai ki kori asil ba kot kheli asil? And answer is the smaller boys were playing near the house. What was Lancho's profession? Lancho'r britti ki asil? Lancho's profession was farming. Lancho'r britti asil kheti kora. What happened during the meal? Ahar khoar samoyot ki ghotisil? Big drops of rain began to fall during the meal ahar khoar samoyot dangor borokhunor topal poriboloi arambho korisil When did the big drops of rain begin to fall ketia dangor borokhunor topalbor poriboloi arambho korisil The big drops of rain began to fall while Lancho's wife was preparing meal Next from where the huge mountains of clouds could be seen approaching korpora dangor daworbor ahi thoka dekhiboloi poa goisil Answer is, from the northeast direction, the huge mountains of clouds could be seen approaching. How was the air? Botortu kenikwa asil? Answer is, the air was fresh and sweet. Why did Lancho go out in the rain? Kyo Lanchoe bahiror borokhunot ulai goisil? Answer is, Lancho went out in the rain to have the pleasure of feeling the rain on his body. Lanchoe teo shorirot pora borokhunor tupalor hei anondo upobhog koribor karone teo bahiroloi ulai goisil. Next, what were the raindrops like according to Lancho? Lancho'r mote borokhunor tupalbor kenikwa asil? The raindrops were like new coins according to Lancho. Lancho'r mote borokhunor tupalbor asil notun muddar dore. When did the very large hailstones begin to fall? Ketia dangor khila borokhun poriboloi arambho korisil? Answer, a strong wind had begun to blow. Thereafter, very large hailstones began to fall along with the rain. Next question, how did the field look after the rain? Borokhunor pisot potharkhon dekhiboloi kenikwa hoisil? The field looked white as if covered with salt after the rain. Borokhunor pisot potharkhon ekdom boga hoi goisil jen nimokhe pori asil. Next question, What happened to Lancho's field? Lancho'r potharkhonot ki hoisil? Lancho's field was completely destroyed by the hailstones. Lancho'r potharkhon সম্পূৰ্ণৰূপে ধ্বংস হৈ গৈছিল কিহৰ দ্বাৰা? শিল বৰষুণৰ দ্বাৰা। Next question, who or what did Lancho have faith in? Lanchoe কোন বা কিহৰ ওপৰত বিশ্বাস কৰিছিল? Lancho had faith in God. Was Lancho a hardworking man? Lancho এজন পৰিশ্ৰমী মানুহ আছিল নে? Yes, Lancho was. He was in fact an ox of a man walking like an animal in the fields. তেওঁ ইমান পৰিশ্ৰমী আছিল যেন তেওঁ জন্তুৰ দৰে পথাৰত কাম কৰিছিল। To whom did Lancho write a letter? কালৈ Lancho এখন চিঠি লিখিছিল? Lancho wrote a letter to God. What was the strange thing about Lancho's letter? Lanchoৰ চিঠিখনত থকা অচিনাকি বা আচৰিত কথাটো কি আছিল? The strange thing about Lancho's letter was that it was addressed to none other than God. আচৰিত কথাটো আছিল যে Lanchoৰ এই চিঠিখন বেলেগ কাৰো নহয় কেৱল ভগৱানৰ কাৰণে লিখিছিল। What did Lancho expect in reply to his letter? Lanchoৰ চিঠিখনলৈ তেওঁ কি আশা কৰিছিল? তাৰ উত্তৰ স্বৰূপে তেওঁ কি বিচাৰিছিল? And answer is Lancho expected 100 pesos in reply to his letter. Where did Lancho drop the letter? Lancho চিঠিখন ক'ত দিছিল? Lancho dropped the letter in the mailbox at the post office. To whom did postman give the letter? Postman জনে চিঠিখন কাক দিছিল? The postman gave the letter to the postmaster. Who read the letter? চিঠিখন কোনে পঢ়িছিল? The postmaster read the letter. What was the idea that the postmaster came up with? Postmaster জনৰ মনলৈ কি ধাৰণা আহিছিল? The answer is the postmaster came up with the idea of answering the letter to God as God himself. Postmaster জনলৈ মনলৈ এটা আইডিয়া আহিছিল যে তেওঁ চিঠিখনৰ উত্তৰ দিব আৰু কোনে দিয়া বুলি লিখিব যে ভগৱানে নিজকে ভগৱান মানি তেওঁ সেই চিঠিখনৰ উত্তৰ দিব। Next question, from whom did the postmaster ask for money? কাৰ পৰা postmaster জনে টকা বিচাৰিছিল? The postmaster asked for money from his employees and friends. তেওঁৰ বন্ধু আৰু সহকৰ্মীসকলৰ পৰা তেওঁ টকা বিচাৰিছিল। How much money did the postmaster himself give? কিমান টকা postmaster জনে নিজে দিছিল? The postmaster gave a part of his salary. তেওঁৰ চেলাৰীৰ এটা অংশ দিছিল। When did Lancho come to the post office again? পুনৰ post officeলৈ কেতিয়া Lancho আহিছিল? Lancho came to the post office again the following Sunday. Who handed the letter to Lancho? কোনে Lanchoক চিঠিখন দিছিল? The postman handed the letter to Lancho. What did Lancho seek when he went up to the window? খিৰিকীখনৰ ওচৰলৈ গৈ Lanchoe কি বিচাৰিছিল? Lancho sought paper and ink when he went up to the window. তেওঁ পেপাৰ আৰু ইংক বিচাৰিছিল। Why did Lancho write a second letter to God? কিয় Lanchoe দ্বিতীয়খন চিঠি লিখিছিল? Lancho wrote a second letter to God to complain that only a part of the money reached him. He blamed the post office employees for this. কিয় চিঠিখন লিখিছিল যে তেওঁ কমপ্লেইন দিছিল ভগৱানক যে তেওঁ পঠোৱা পইচাৰ এটা অংশহে পাইছে আৰু তাৰ বাবে তেওঁ কাক দোষাৰোপ কৰিছে? পোষ্ট অফিচৰ এমপ্লয়ীসকলক। Give a brief description of Lancho's house. Lanchoৰ ঘৰৰ এক চমু বিৱৰণ দিয়া। Answer is Lancho's house was the only one in the entire valley. It sat on the crest of a low hill overlooking the river and a field of ripe corn dotted with flowers that always promised a good harvest. Next question, আৰু আজি শেষৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হৈছে who was Lancho? What was his profession? Lancho কোন আছিল আৰু Lanchoৰ বৃত্তি কি আছিল? আৰু আনসাৰটো হৈছে Lancho was a Latin American farmer who cropped corn. Lancho এজন লেটিন আমেৰিকান খেতিয়ক আছিল যিয়ে মাকৈ খেতি কৰিছিল। And his profession was farming. আৰু তেওঁৰ প্ৰফেশনটো আছিল তেওঁৰ বৃত্তি আছিল খেতি কৰা। ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল আশা কৰোঁ তোমালোকে অলপ হ'লেও উপকৃত হ'ব পাৰিবা। Thank you.